Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own clothing brand, but thought you needed a ton of money to get started, I've got great news for you. You can actually start a clothing brand with just $100. Yes, you heard that right. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to launch a brand without breaking the bank. So let's dive in. Step 1. Nail down your brand concept. Before you spend a single dollar, you need to define your brand. Think about the vibe, style, and message you want to convey. Is it streetwear? Is it minimalist fashion? What values will your brand represent? You don't need to spend money on fancy market research. Just get clear on what you want to create and who you want to target. Step 2. Design your first product. I know you might not have a huge budget for fancy designs, but you can start small. Use free design tools like Canva, or if you're comfortable with it, apps like Adobe Spark. Keep your design simple. Think logos, cool graphics, or motivational quotes that resonate with your audience. Step 3. Find a print-on-demand supplier. This is where your $100 can really stretch. Instead of buying inventory up front, use a print-on-demand service like Printful or Teespring. These platforms let you upload your designs, and they'll print and ship the products directly to your customers when they order. No upfront cost for stock, just pay when you make a sale. Now you can go the other route, what most six-figure brand owners do, which is finding a manufacturer and getting a sample made. Finding a trusted manufacturer is hard because most of them scam or don't follow your instructions. So to save time and money, I added my manufacturer list in our Discord. Premium with clothing brand owners you can connect with. It has over 10 trusted manufacturers that you can choose from. I also made a script to get free samples every time from a manufacturer. Step 4. Set up your online store. Now you need a place to sell your stuff. Set up an online store with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even directly on Instagram with their shop feature. A basic Shopify plan starts at just $29 a month, but you can use Etsy or Instagram for free, which is perfect when you're on a budget. Make sure your site looks clean, simple, and showcases your designs well. Step 5. Start marketing on a budget. Now marketing. With only $100, you're going to focus on organic growth. Leverage Instagram and TikTok to showcase your designs. Post consistently, use hashtags, and engage with your audience. You can also reach out to micro-influencers who might promote your products for a free sample or a small fee. Step 6. Keep reinvesting. As you start making sales, take the profits and reinvest them into your business. You might want to invest in ads, add new designs, or scale up your product offerings. The key is to grow slowly, focus on what works, and keep building your brand over time. So there you have it. You don't need thousands of dollars to start a clothing brand. With just $100, you can design, market, and sell your products. It's all about being resourceful, staying focused, and putting in the work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Make sure to join the Discord in our bio to get access to more free game and connect with clothing brand owners.